Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Join us as we delve into Berkshire Hathaway's impressive Q4 earnings and Warren Buffett's annual letter insights. We'll also explore Apple's potential AI iPhone, Toyota and Ferrari's defiance of the EV winter, and the dip in crude oil prices amidst healthy demand. Plus, we'll discuss Ford's halt on electric F-150 shipments due to quality concerns, the bullish sentiment sweeping across real estate indices, and Bitcoin capping weekly losses with a promising bull run on the horizon. Stay tuned after this short ad break for these stories and more. Berkshire Hathaway's fourth quarter operating earnings increased by 28% due to enhancements in insurance underwriting and investment income, even though there were decreases in other sectors. The corporation doubled its common stock repurchases to $2.2 billion, which brought the total purchases for the year 2023 to $9.2 billion. As of December 31, 2023, Berkshire held an estimated $167.6 billion in cash and short-term securities. This was an increase from $157 billion at the end of September.
In the yearly correspondence to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders, Warren Buffett expressed admiration for his deceased business associate, Charlie Munger. He emphasized the significance of operational earnings over GAAP net income and observed that current markets display more casino-like behavior. Greg Abel and Ajit Jain are set to accompany Buffett at the firm's annual gathering in May. The company's investments in American Express and Coca-Cola remained stable in 2023, while its shares in Japanese trading companies experienced year-end unrealized profits amounting to $8 billion.
Analysts from Bernstein express optimism about Apple's potential in the artificial intelligence, or AI, sector. Despite perceived delays compared to rivals such as Nvidia and Microsoft, they anticipate that Apple will incorporate AI into its product line. This could include advanced image editing tools, translation services, and improved Siri capabilities. Even though some believe Apple is lagging in generative AI, its marketing prowess could instigate a significant upgrade cycle. Furthermore, it is anticipated that at their June conference, Apple will reveal a generative AI tool for iOS developers.
Despite experiencing a slump in the electric vehicle, or EV, sector, conventional car manufacturers are flourishing. Shares of Toyota have reached an all-time high due to robust sales of their hybrid models. Honda and Nissan too have witnessed a surge in investor interest. Ferrari and Stellantis, both based in Europe, have seen their share prices soar by over 50% within the past year. However, Morgan Stanley has issued a warning that EV startups could face costly restructuring processes. This is due to large-scale commitments for EV battery plants, which may result in facilities being underused.
Crude oil futures experienced a decline this week, a result of the hawkish Federal Reserve meeting minutes and cautious remarks from officials. These factors have lessened the optimism for interest rate reductions that could potentially boost energy demand. Despite elevated interest rates, some market analysts maintain that oil demand continues to be robust. On another note, U.S. natural gas futures witnessed most of their increases wiped out due to Chesapeake Energy's strategy to decrease drilling and production in 2024 as a reaction to low prices.
Ford Motor Company has temporarily halted the shipments of its F-150 Lightning electric truck due to an unidentified quality concern. The firm intends to recommence deliveries following comprehensive inspections. However, a specific schedule has not been provided. This development comes on the heels of a decrease in the production of the Lightning model and a transition towards gasoline-powered vehicles, attributed to a slower than anticipated uptake of their electric vehicles.
Tech stocks experienced a rally, driven by Nvidia's robust earnings, which in turn elevated the major market averages. The S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq all registered gains. The real estate select sector SPDR ETF also saw an upward trend, bolstered by the rise in hotel and resort REITs and specialized REITs. Despite looming concerns over a potential Federal Reserve rate cut and escalating mortgage rates nearing 7%, the market remained optimistic. A number of real estate firms announced quarterly earnings that surpassed expectations while others disclosed stronger revenues.
The The value of Bitcoin experienced a decrease of 2.1% this week. However, it has managed to consistently close above the $50,000 mark since Valentine's Day. Industry experts are forecasting a potential surge due to the halving event scheduled for April. This event will cut Bitcoin mining and new market releases by half. Tom Lee from Fundstrat Global Advisors suggests that Bitcoin could potentially reach up to $150,000 by the end of this year. On the other hand, Clem Chambers, who is a contributor at Seeking Alpha, predicts a possible increase to $120,000.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Until next time, keep investing in your financial knowledge. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.